really have roads.
Dismounted na dito yung iba. Dismounted na.
Okay, dismount on me. Dismount when you see me.
Backline na ako kaya.
Dismount when you see me.
Barangay use kam lang.
Okay. Wait. Where they at right now? One screen, right?
One screen.
Okay,
Sorry.
half screen of ping.
Come in.
Kiting northeast.
Come in. They're gonna kite through that choke, okay? My brawler and my one hand hammer, you guys can like, yo, kill this guy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What is this guy now? Come in. Where they are right
Going
now?
back sila. Going back northeast A. Full northeast.
Northeast choke, right?
Going sila dun sa may choke na maliit. Papunta ng rawa.
My infinity blade, can you guys mount up? And like one hand hammer, like one hand hammer.
They hold.
Okay, guys, hold. They're looking. Spread out southwest. Tell me if you're ready, DPS. Hold. Yo,
Brothers,
northeast shallow on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast shallow now. And come southwest. They're gonna look soon, okay? Careful on the choke. Come southwest.
Hindi mo kayo pag nag-engage
Hold the choke. Yo, cycle guard runs on the choke northeast. They're looking. Hold. Def ready. Def now. Wait. Pag muna. Shaper.
Hindi mo kapag ready.
Dissolve. Guys, take space on my southwest. Take space more. My brawler, you guys can mount up.
Brother,
Hold.
mamamanot. JJ. Jukbang. Mount up. Di mo engage.
When they engage again, we go full push, okay? Wait. Hold.
I think I am going back of desert.
Ready potion on the front. Red runes on the front. Take space on the southwest. They're looking. Shaper. Good. They're gonna look soon. Left ready. They're gonna kidnap. So Tarno, can you fake? Fake now. Yo, kami ni. Wait. Dito walking. Wait. Hold. Wait. Come back southwest. Tell me if they engage, okay? Wait. Come southwest. Def now. Now, walk in. Potion and walk in. Pass the bridge. Look at me, pass the bridge. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. And full push northeast and brawl. Dita hold them. Full push northeast and brawl. And spread around me. You need to spread around me. Find me. I'm on the middle. Find me. Def now. Good def. Now find me. Stabilize. 5 seconds to engage west side, okay? On the show quest. Get ready. Find me. West side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side now. It's big. And brawl again. Brawl inside. Just brawl inside. They're gonna try to come back on the show, okay? Come in. Sobrang lalim.
Holding choke.
Come in. Tell me to engage. Hold. Def now? Wait. Not yet. Wait. Def now.
No.
Come in. Fake now. Give me fake now. Shallow on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow now. It's big, boys. Good. And full push now. Push. Potion and walk in. Potion and walk in. CC them west side. Ready? Baragis looking on the show. Okay, careful defensive on the show. Going southwest. Spread here. Potion ready. Stay away from me. Look at inside of me. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside now.
Nice.
And spread again. Just spread again. Def now. Now, brawl now. They're dying here now. They're gonna die now. Now, brawl with them. Now, look at southwest to me, okay? CC southwest. Full CC southwest. Look at me. This is gonna be big. Northeast, okay? Look at northeast. Actually, west side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Need to
They're
delete this.
going on the north, so
Come back southwest first. Yo, don't overextend. Defend ready. Come southwest.
They're looking.
I know. Come
Around the
southwest. Hold. Don't kidnap, okay? Hold. Get ready, hold. Wait. Once they fucking push, we're gonna full walk in, okay? Hold. Just hold. Def ready. Wait. They're coming soon. Wait. Hold. Be patient. Wait. Give me fix now. Fakes now. Wait. Hold. Wait, chill. It's not doing anything. Observe. Wait. They're getting engaged shallow. They're looking now. Good def. Wait. Inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside now. Good. Come southwest. That's how we play, okay? Come southwest. They're gonna push now. Wait. Get ready position on the front. Help the D-tanks in the front. Come back D-tanks. Hold. 10 seconds. We full push. Hold now. Yo, careful. They're kidnapping, okay? Careful. Yo, give me fake northeast now. Give me fake northeast. Fake northeast. Wait. Hold. Just chill. You ready? Defense on the choke. Yo, get ready on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. Come back southwest. Def ready in the front. Good def. Come southwest more. Tell me your cooldowns, okay? I didn't know your cooldowns. When you're ready, tell me.
10.
Some haircut natin na lang sa episode.
Okay. Good. Wait. Yo, pull them out. Come southwest. Get ready to turn back northeast, okay? Wait. Hold. Pull them in.
Where's that?
Come southwest, man.
let's
They're
start it
looking.
once again.
Nobody died, right? Or someone died.
Not pushing kayo.
I-group 1 is Saldi.
Okay. They know already they're gonna die once they engage, okay?
Where's the lab? Q.
Yo, step up. I'm gonna fake, okay? I'm gonna fake. Step up. Wait. Yo, look at me. Shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on me. Go back southwest, okay? Locus and come southwest. Heal front.
Shipper
Fall
coming
in
in,
the
shipper
front.
coming in.
Come southwest. Def now. Walk in. Heal up and walk in. Walk in. Don't die. Walk in.
Potion.
Walk in, boys. Walk in. And brawl here. Find me, okay? All my DPS, find me. West side. Wall. 5, 4, 3, on me now. And spread and brawl here. Spread and brawl.
They're crossing.
Spread and brawl. Yo, spread and brawl. Def ready. Def and brawl. Just brawl. Look at the choke, okay? Come southwest. Walk with them southwest. CC them southwest. 10 seconds. CC them southwest. It's gonna be big. Yo, fake now. Walk in. Potion. Fake. On the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2. On me now. Oh no, damage. Kamini. Careful, defense ready on the choke. Kamini. Heal the choke. Now walk again. All my DPS, find me to the infinity blade. Okay, walk, guys. Walk southwest. Yo, walk southwest now. D-tank. Yo, my DPS, wrap around me southwest. Look at the southwest. Now find me on the southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2. On me now. And brawl here. Get ready def, okay? Get ready def. Def now. Heal. And brawl here. Just brawl here. Brawl inside. My DPS, you need to hit, man. Brawl inside. Yo, CC them on the choke. CC them. Look at the D-tanks inside, okay? Southwest on us. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside now, inside now, inside now. You need to kill this. Good, good, good. Come southwest, come southwest, come southwest, come southwest. Come southwest, they're gonna look soon. Come southwest, come southwest, come southwest. Come southwest, come southwest. Hold. Come southwest, come southwest. We good. Rigi.
Shaper.
Shaper. Hold. Don't do anything. My DPS, you need to find me, man. My fucking club. Guys don't have damage. Hold. Yo, they're kidnapping, okay? Careful. Ditangs, may battleman. Can you guys go front?
They're resetting.
Yo, heal this guy. Yo, northeast deep. 5, 4. Def now. 3, 2, 1. On me now. Hit them. Full push him. Def. Push. Brawl inside. Heal up. Brawl. Brawl on me. Heal Tricot. Yo, heal up. Look at the southwest choke. Potion, get ready, southwest choke. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest now. Good. And spread and brawl again. Finish the low. Finish the guy inside. Sped. You need to full sped or you're gonna die. Potion ready. Look at Bragi. Bragi's looking at me. Stay away from me. Def ready. Def now. They're looking. Def, wait. They're gonna engage on the choke, boys. Yo, look at Southwest on the choke. Give me fakes now. Fake now. South on the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the choke now. Good. Potion walk in. Potion walk in and brawl. We're good. That's a good trade. Potion walk in and brawl. Guard dogs inside. Keep going southwest. Potion walk in. Look at the north of me, okay? Look at north of me. Get ready. 5 seconds. North of me. 5. Wait. Hold. Wait. Inside of me. Northeast on the show. 5, 4, 3, 2, on me now. And spread now. They're looking. Spread and brawl, okay? Spread and brawl. Heal James on the north. They're looking. Spread. We're good, okay? We're good. Don't die. They're looking on the choke. CC them. GG. Good, boys. Good. Come southwest. Loot. Good job.